Good morning and welcome back to the Vietnam Motorbike Trip. So, no hurry today. It's only 60 kilometers to Ha Giang. So, or Giang, Ha Giang, it doesn't matter. Anyway, it's only 60 kilometers, so we're talking a little over an hour ride at most. Depending on the roads, of course, and traffic. Me being lazy, you know. So, anyway, still getting packed up a little bit. No hurry. It's about 10:30 here. I'll leave around 11 or something because can't check into the hotel till 2. Hour ride. I take my time. Blah blah blah. And I'm sure if I get there, I can just store my bags and go get some lunch. So enjoyed this hotel room. I'll put the link in the description of the previous video. It's the Khao San Hotel. When you got 60 kilometers to go, I plan my trip by what great restaurant can I eat at when I get there and have some lunch. So supposedly his face has some. I haven't had a hamburger in a long time. I can't even remember the last time I had a hamburger. There's supposedly a restaurant there that has like a really good burger. So that's what I'm gonna try. Yeah, I know I'm supposed to be eating Vietnamese food. I do eat Vietnamese food 80% of the time. You just don't see the videos where I don't talk about it because it's Vietnam, and of course I'm eating Vietnamese food. So when you get to a place that actually has Western food, it's sort of a treat, so you get excited. And a lot of times it's not done that well, and other times it's done amazingly well, so it's hit or miss with that. Anyway, I'm gonna get finished packed up, and I'll see you on the road. All right, we got the bike loaded up. Just had a good conversation with another guy from America that's doing the trip. He started in Hanoi, he's been doing the north, and is going to be heading south. So he gave me a few pointers on some pretty areas to see. Short ride today. Like I said, like 60 kilometers, no hurry. It's almost, what time is it? Yeah, it's already 11:30.
Forget about signs and rules, oh, the pavement and the long, long roads, yeah, and you're always in such a rush, with your life playing from the stereo, oh. But all alone, and you're always staring at your phone. You need another great relief. We all need a turn and leave. Oh baby, this time we'll be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long, all night long. Oh, 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 yeah. Too many fishes in the stream, down the boulevard of broken dreams. So we'll make a little change in pace, a minor shift of time and space. Oh baby, this time we'll be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long. Oh baby, this time we'll be gone forever. Never in a lifetime will you see us back here again. So come before it's too late. Hurry now, 'cause I can't wait. Let's put on our anthem. We'll be singing all night long, all night long.
Okay, ended up stopping for a little break. I'm stopping a little bit later than I thought. I've only got 17 kilometers to go for the hotel. So it's gonna be a short day. Here by the little river view. Well, you can see that. River. Yeah, I have no idea what river it is. Anyway, just resting the butt a little bit. It's going much faster than I thought. Yeah, so 17, so just got about 15, 20 minutes left probably, if that, because I'm going about 60 kilometers an hour, so I'm doing a kilometer a minute. So it's a fast day. Decent amount of traffic on this road, but for the most part, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Pretty much a straight shot all the way to the hotel. So I'll see you on the road and at the hotel. Okay. Back on the road for this final 15 kilometers. I did realize though when I took my helmet off, oh, excuse me, that previously I was riding with the camera and mic on. I did not have the wind noise canceling option on. I don't know how to do some editing magic. Or it's not going to sound too hot. But I did solve all the world's problems, so if you don't hear it, well, I guess we'll just never know. But I did while I was taking my little break, right when I turned the camera off. A whole series of people on motorcycle tours came out, some big bikes. It's a good ride today. Decent amount of traffic's picked up, but I was expecting that. It sort of looks like a straight line on the map. There's some decent little turns, break up the monotony. I can definitely see how if you left Hanoi and you was on this road, you could really make some time trying to get up to the loop. Let me tell you, it is slow going out of Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. 4 kilometers out from the hotel. Get a little sign, welcome this. I'm sure that says welcome. Right here. I do have a habit of picking like hotels that are little tiny alleyways. Not this case, it's different. It would help if actually I think that accessibility in there. Was it the purple one? Always fun down these little treacherous things. Oh yeah. Bunch of motorbikes. All right, well, that's a quick check-in here at the Sue's Villa Ha Giang. Let's take a look at the room. Link in the description. Nice looking room. Very helpful staff. Got the typical bathroom. Looks nice. As always, we must do a bed check, so let's see if it's soft. I would call that nice and firm. Not hard though, but very, very firm. It'll work. It's one night. So anyway, I'm gonna get changed, cleaned up a little bit after that really long 1 hour ride. Explore, and what I mean by explore is go find a hamburger. I'll take you along with me. You'll see the hamburger, if I find it. And hopefully here shortly I'll be fat and happy again. Okay, I'll see you next to the hamburger. We're heading to the restaurant, which should be down this road just a little bit. It's called Top of the Loop Restaurant and Cafe. Top of the Loop Rooftop Bar. Walked right past it. All right, I'll see you inside. Okay, made it. Nice looking little rooftop bar. Got the menu here. Let me figure out what I want. Okay, so the burger has arrived. Let's try this burger. Good and juicy. Ooh, crunchy bun. That burger hit the spot. It was the Mexican burger. Had a like a little tiny tortilla, hard tortilla shell in the middle of it. Did have some nice Mexican seasonings. If you're liking this content, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna head back to the hotel, relax. Maybe walk around a little bit, see what I can find. I hope you enjoyed this. And get out there and enjoy yourself. It's later than you think.